प्यारे बच्चों, how are you all? Hope you all are well. Okay, my dear kids, our this year academic year is going to finish. So if I am next week it will finish, I think, and after that exam will be there. So only 3 more periods we are getting, and I am not willing to take a new lesson. Okay, so language only na, so continuation and all won't come for the next year, and also I am planning to take grammar for that. Okay, so you please learn this grammar also for the exam. Okay, first of all, saknya. What is saknya? Saknya is what? Saknya means what? Noun, right? Saknya means noun. What is saknya? किसी भी व्यक्ति, स्थान, वस्तु, विचार अथवा भाव को संज्ञा कहते हैं. If any person or place or thing or any thinking or any feelings, we will tell as noun, right? So संज्ञा को 3 भेदों में बांटा गया है. We have divided संज्ञा in 3 types. व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा. व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा, first one. Example for that means व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा means if a person or thing or any place name we will say na, that is व्यक्ति personal, that is only व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा. जो लल्ला, that is a name of a person. कांच, glass, name of a thing. आम, name of a fruit. गाय, name of an animal. So these all will come in व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा. Understood? So संज्ञा what? किसी भी व्यक्ति, वस्तु, व्यक्ति, स्थान, वस्तु, विचार अथवा भाव को संज्ञा कहते हैं. संज्ञा को 3 भेदों में बांटा गया है. व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा. सेकंड वन, जातिवाचक संज्ञा. और जातिवाचक संज्ञा, by hearing the word itself we can see the type of the संज्ञा, means like the character of a person or a shape of a person, that we will tell in जातिवाचक संज्ञा. How the thing will be, how the person will be, that characterization, that the shape of that thing, like that is a long she is having long hair, so that long, like that, so that long and all will be the जातिवाचक संज्ञा. चरित्र, स्वभाव, वचन, आकार आदि द्वारा जानी जाने वाली संज्ञा जातिवाचक संज्ञा. So the character of a person or the shape of a person, thing or shape of an animal or something, that we will tell in जातिवाचक संज्ञा. Then भाववाचक संज्ञा. भाव means feelings, the how the thing will be, like सुंदरदा, ब्यूटीफुल, that is भाववाचक संज्ञा. नाजुक, प्रसन्नता इत्यादि जिसमें कोई व्यक्ति नहीं है, that the person won't be there. What is the feeling of that person? What is the condition of that thing? That we will tell in this one. और आकार या वजन नहीं है, the shape and weight won't be there. वजन means weight, परंतु उसका अनुभव होता है, feelings only will be there. How the beautiful, happiness, that and all will come in भाववाचक संज्ञा. So these are the 3 types of संज्ञा. किसी भी व्यक्ति, वस्तु, स्थान, विचार अथवा भाव को संज्ञा कहते हैं. संज्ञा को 3 भेदों में बांटा गया. आई एम नॉट एक्सप्लेनिंग दैट definition of these 3 types of संज्ञा because it will be difficult for you to learn. So what is that one? That only you should understand. So व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा, the name of a person or thing or like that. So जातिवाचक संज्ञा, the character of that person or thing, like that. So then भाववाचक संज्ञा, the feelings, how the beautifulness, happiness, that only will come. Okay, then we will take the next one, विशेषण. What is विशेषण? Adjective. विशेषण means what? Adjective. संज्ञा अथवा सर्वनाम शब्दों की विशेषता बताने वाले शब्द विशेषण कहलाते हैं. If you are telling the speciality of a noun or a pronoun, that is विशेषण. संज्ञा अथवा सर्वनाम शब्दों की विशेषता बताने वाले शब्द विशेषण कहलाते हैं. एग्जाम्पल, बड़ा, बिग, काला, ब्लैक, लंबा, लेंथी, दयालु, काइंड, एक, वन, दो. नंबर also will come. Okay, that everything is the like एक कौवा, the speciality of that, like that. Okay, the number also will come as a विशेषण. So these things and all, like the speciality of a person, speciality of a noun or a pronoun, not only person, speciality of a noun or a pronoun we will tell means that is विशेषण. संज्ञा अथवा सर्वनाम शब्दों की विशेषता बताने वाले शब्द विशेषण कहलाते हैं. विशेष्य, under that विशेष्य on another word will come विशेष्य. What is that विशेष्य? जिस संज्ञा अथवा सर्वनाम शब्द की विशेषता बताए जाए. Whose speciality we are telling ना, like Geeta, example you see ma, Geeta सुंदर है. Geeta is beautiful. Who is beautiful? Geeta. That Geeta, whose speciality we are telling, that is विशेष. Okay, the speciality is विशेषण. Whose speciality we are telling, that is विशेष्य. Understood? जिस संज्ञा अथवा सर्वनाम शब्दों की विशेषता बताई जाए वह विशेष्य कहलाता है. गीता सुंदर है. गीता विशेष्य, सुंदर विशेषण. अंडरस्टूड? विशेषण के 4 प्रकार है. विशेषण इज ऑफ 4 टाइप्स. 1 गुणवाचक विशेषण. गुण, फ्रॉम गुण वी विल टेल द कैरेक्टर. गुण, गुण रूप रंग आदि का बोध हो. इफ द कैरेक्टर and the shape and also the color if it is telling means that is गुणवाचक विशेषण. Example, बगीचे में सुंदर फूल हैं. Beautiful flowers are there in the garden. So that beautiful is the speciality. What type of fool is there? Beautiful. So sundar will come as gunavachak visheshan. Okay, character of a flower. So sundar, it will be beautiful. So sundar will be gunavachak visheshan. Understood? Then संज्ञा वाचक विशेषण. संख्या means number. So संख्या का बोध हो. If it is the, we will tell the numbers as the speciality means that is संज्ञा वाचक विशेषण. Like कक्षा में 40 विद्यार्थी हैं. 40 means 40. So that in school, in the 40 children are there in the class. 40 students are there in the class. How many students? 40. That number will come means that is संज्ञावाचक विशेषण. Understood? First one, गुण रूप रंग आदि का बोध हो, गुणवाचक विशेषण. Example, सुंदर. Then संज्ञा का बोध हो, संज्ञावाचक विशेषण. Then परिमाणवाचक विशेषण. Third one, परिमाणवाचक विशेषण. परिमाण या नाप तौल का बोध हो. If it is in weight, if it is a weight or quantity we will tell. Quantity we will tell means that is weight or quantity or like we will like 2 kilo, 2 kilo, 1 kilo, 2 meter, 1 meter, like that we will tell na, that length or any quantity or a measurement. Measurement also we will tell as परिमाणवाचक विशेषण. Okay, परिमाण या नाप तौल का बोध हो. एग्जाम्पल, मुझे 2 मीटर कपड़ा दो. मुझे 2 मीटर कपड़ा दो. गिव मी 2 मीटर ऑफ क्लॉथ. सो दैट 2 मीटर विल बी परिमाणवाचक विशेषण. ओके, परिमाणवाचक विशेषण. देन सार्वनामिक विशेषण. फ्रॉम that itself we can say if the pronoun is coming as the विशेषण, we are telling as सार्वनामिक विशेषण. Pronoun means what? Instead of noun what we are using, that is only pronoun, right? In Hindi, वह, यह, वे, ये, हम, आप, that only will come as सर्वनाम. So here कोई सर्वनाम शब्द संज्ञा की विशेषता बताएं. If any pronoun word is telling the speciality of a noun, we will tell us सार्वनामिक विशेषण. Like वह आदमी व्यवहार से कुशल है. He is very good in his character. That person. So that person, that will come. Which person? That person. So they are expressing that person as that person. So that vah, that it is coming as the it is a sarvanam, right? Vah, that person. So that person, that will come as sarvanam here. So visheshan here. So that is sarvanamic visheshan. Okay, understood? First one, gunavachak visheshan. Then संज्ञावाचक गुणवाचक विशेषण. गुण, character and all will say. संज्ञावाचक विशेषण means संज्ञा. परिमाणवाचक विशेषण means परिमाण, quantity, measurement, like that. And सार्वनामिक विशेषण means like pronoun if it is coming as a speciality. That is only विशेष. So संज्ञा Visheshan. Don't forget these both. Then third one, Sandhi. Sandhi, have you heard about the word Sandhi? Sandhi means, in Tamil we will say Sandhi. What is that? Meeting, right? Meeting together. That is only here also the same. Like, जब हम दो शब्दों को मिलाते हैं, if we are joining two words, clearly listen my dear kids, if we are joining two words, पहले शब्द की अंतिम ध्वनि, first words last letter, first words last letter, or letter or dhwani means that matra only, okay, that sound last, like ka means a is the last, right? Ka, a. Ki means e, that only, okay, that sound. एवं दूसरे शब्द के पहली ध्वनि, what is that? दूसरे. Then second word, if we are joining two words, if we are joining two words like 1 and 2, these words last one and these words first one will join, मिलकर जो परिवर्तन लाती हैं, when it is making any change, that परिवर्तन उसे ही संधि कहते हैं. If we are joining two letters, first words last letter, last sound, and second words first sound, it will join and it will change in the, when it is joining and we will get to another word, right? That word will get will be changed. That change we will tell us sandhi. Okay, example you see ma, tada plus astu. Tada at the end, it end with a, and astu it started with a. So a plus a will come here. See, tada plus astu, tadastu. Why it is not coming tadastu? Because when we are adding a plus a only will come, and this a will be omit, okay, it won't come, it will be hide. So tadastu will come, okay. Then next one, pad plus unnati. Pad, if we are seeing means we will think there's nothing is here, isn't it? Da means the plus a only, da, okay. The half of da plus a only, da, okay. Then the plus we learned, right, what? Da with the u. If we are adding da plus u, we will tell it is do, okay. The da plus u is equal to do. So you can see here first the plus da plus u, here it comes padonadi. Pad plus unnadi, padonadi. Understood? Padonadi. Like that only sandhi. This is only sandhi. If you are joining the first words last sound and the second words first sound, if it is joining and it will get a change, that is only sandhi. So another sandhi is one type is there, swara sandhi. Only one type it is explained in your textbook, so I am only taking only one type, okay. स्वर संधि, जब दो स्वर आपस में जुड़ते हैं या दो स्वरों के मिलने से उनमें जो परिवर्तन आता है तो वह स्वर संधि कहलाता है. By seeing the name, स्वर means what? A to aha, right? A, I, E. स्वराक्षर a, I, E, O, O, R, A, I, O, औ, aha. That is only स्वर. that स्वर, दो स्वर आपस में जुड़ते हैं या दो स्वरों के मिलने से उनमें जो परिवर्तन आते हैं तो वह स्वर संधि का. If the first letter and the last letter will be swar, here it the same only, a plus a, that is both are swarakshar, right? So that is swar sandhi, okay. So here you can see Ravindra, how it is splitting, you see. Ravi, V plus V plus E only, V, right? V. Here you can see V. Here you can see V plus E. It is V. Then plus E. It is there. So that is V. Okay, 2 E, it will come. So both this E and this E together it will come E. So both are Swara Akshar. So it is Ravindra. So when if it is joining two Swar, the first letter, first words last letter and the second words first letter will be Swar, means that is Swar Sandhi. Like that you learn. Okay. Then Swar Sandhi we learned. Then Swar Sandhi ke Bhed. Swar Sandhi having 4 types: Dirgha Sandhi, Guna Sandhi, Vriddha Sandhi, Yana Sandhi. This both type only you learn. Only Dirgha Sandhi we are going to learn today. Okay. Not much, because this much is there in the textbook. Okay. Swar Sandhi only, Swar Sandhi is there. Swar Sandhi also one type only it is explaining in your textbook. Okay. दीर्घ स्वर संधि के भेद: दीर्घ संधि, गुण संधि, वृद्धि संधि, यण संधि. देन दीर्घ संधि. व्हाट इज दीर्घ संधि? जब दो शब्दों की संधि करते समय व्हेन यू आर जॉइनिंग टू वर्ड्स, आ के साथ आ हो तो आ बनता है, isn't it? If we are joining a plus a means what will come? A will come. And a plus a will come means that is also a will come. So then a plus a will come also. For everything a will come, right? A and a will come. A banta hai. So if we are joining these both, only this a is coming. जब ई के साथ ई हो तो ई बनता है, isn't it? If you are joining these two also, it is E will come. जब ऊ के साथ ऊ हो तो ऊ बनता है. Okay. If you are joining, if you are joining a plus a will come. If you are joining a plus a also, I told na this one will hide and a only will come. Like that, E plus E is equal to E will come. Then if also E plus E it is coming, means E only come, because this will hide. Okay, which is big, that only will come. So like that only U plus U is equal to U. And if U plus U it is coming, means that is also U. So when we are joining these words like this, means it will U, A, E, U. That is very lengthy, right? So that is Dirgha Sandhi. Lengthy means Dirgha Sandhi. Pustak plus Alay. Pustakalay. Pustak K plus A only Ka. That, right? K plus A only Ka. Then plus A, Pustakalay will come. Param plus Artha. Paramartha. This one A and A. Giri plus Ish. Girish. Vadu plus Utsav. Vadutsav. So, because of the like Swara Akshar, if it is coming like this, it will end with the A, E, U, Dirgha only. So, that is we will tell as Dirgha Sandhi. Understood? This much you learn and copy the notes in your notebooks. Okay? And learn the notes for the exam and be prepared for the exam. Only 2 more class we are going to get. That class also we will revise and we will take the grammar only, because rest of the lessons I am skipping, because if I am checking itself, you are not going to watch that one and you are not going to learn that one. So how much we learned, how much lesson we learned in this second term, learn one by one. Okay, and be ready for the exam. Okay माँ, that's all for today. धन्यवाद मेरे प्यारे बच्चों.